Alright, today we'll create something that some of you might think is impossible. An AI chatbot that not only answers any question, but also saves the customer details into a Google Sheet. Now let me show you the chat I'm talking about. So this here is an AI chatbot for travel agency. It starts with a simple question. Do we need assistance or a travel recommendation? Let's say we need a recommendation. The bot will then ask for information like destination, travel date, travel preferences, etc. And the follow-up answer will always be custom tailored to the previous message, making sure that the user never feels like talking to a pre-programmed robot. For example, if I say summer, the bot will respond that summer is indeed a great time to visit. Once it has gathered all the necessary info, the chatbot then will transfer the data into a Google Sheet. Now the travel agency has all the details they need. Now let's quickly go back and ask some other questions too. And just so you're aware, the code you see in the last message will not be there once you deploy the chat on the real site. Now let's ask a simple question like, what are the charges for flight cancellation? And since we have trained the model with their landing page, the bot will know the right answer. So click on the first link in the description, which will direct you to Stack AI, the engine that will power our app. Sign up if you don't have an account. I'll just log in. Then go to dashboard and create a new project. Pull in the 3 nodes we need, OpenAI, URL plus search, and the Zapier node. Now I'll provide the app with an FAQ page from just a random travel agency I found on Google. Next, go to the OpenAI node, select one of the models, and we'll need to instruct the bot on how to act and what to do. I've written a comprehensive description of what I want it to do, and you can find that in the description. You can customize it to your needs. Then provide a simple prompt so the bot knows what to do with the data it receives. Now to get ChatGPT in action, you need an API key. Click on the second link in the description, which will lead you to OpenAI's dashboard. Create a new API key there, copy it and paste it in your Stack AI dashboard by clicking on the cog icon. When that's done, we can connect these nodes and head over to Google Sheets. Create a sheet in which we'll store the customer data. Name each column accordingly so the bot knows where to put what. Name the sheet something unique so you can recognize it later. The next step is to get an API key from Zapier. To do that, click on How to get my API key. Go to Credentials, Register or Log in. Follow the steps, and once you're done, you will return to the same page. Click on Connect, then Allow. Now go ahead and click the tab it has opened, then go back to the original credentials page. Hit Ctrl R or Command R to refresh the page, and you will see your API key. Click on Reveal and copy paste it into your Zapier node. Now you can connect these nodes and go back to the Zapier page. Click on Providers and Actions, and under your NLA provider, click on Manage Actions. Add a new action, search for Google Sheets row, and select the one that says Create Spreadsheet row. We're now going to connect your Google account, which you've used to create this spreadsheet. Locate your sheet, and for every field, leave the original option, which is Have AI guess a value. Then, this is very important, don't forget to deselect the last option. Click on Enable Action and then you're done with Zapier. Now let's do the final touches by connecting the nodes we overlooked and enabling memory in the OpenAI node by clicking the cog icon. Click on Export UI and instead of form, use chat, give it a name, select the input and output field, and we can specify the welcome message. You can copy mine if you wish from the system prompt text. Click on Next, and here you can either copy this code onto your website or to test it out, click on the link. And there you have it. We've created a very useful chatbot that I personally believe will be on every web page in the future. Now, if you're interested in more AI chatbot content, subscribe, and next week I will upload a free course about Stack AI in which I will delve into the very details of this beautiful app. But until then, take care and see you in the next one.